How to search history in Cici. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find the history. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the left top, you can see this two-line icon. Simply tap on this two-line icon, and here on the bottom, tap on settings. So now we in the settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options and you can even customize it. Here, there's a section of search history. Simply tap on search history. So this is the place where you can find or search for the history. Here, all the chats that you have done with AI will pop up. Here you can even directly search it, and now after you tap on one, it will automatically display all the history and the searches that you have done. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you